There's the creature in its natural habitat. It looks like it's weaving a nest for its young. But this creature does not reproduce sexually, it reproduces asexually because it is one of a kind and no one would ever mate with it. The creature is currently still weaving her nest. We do believe that she may be a certain species of duck, but we are not quite sure. A duck? She's trying to socialize with another breed of animal, but they cannot communicate because the other animal is much more intelligent. The animal is trying to pull apart stems to make more for its nest. It is failing. So it uses shears that it pulled out of its rear.
You want to kill me, right?
The creature is continuing on and making its nest. Tune in next time to see when the creature lays its eggs.